Hi there, parents. Ever wondered if chamomile tea is safe for your little ones? Well, today I'm here to guide you through some trusted sources that can help make this decision a bit easier. First up, the American Academy of Pediatrics, or AAP, is a fantastic place to start. They offer guidelines on the use of herbal remedies like chamomile tea and shed light on their appropriateness for children. Next, the National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health provides insightful, research-based information on herbs. They can help you understand the uses of chamomile and confirm its safety for children. Looking for more? The Mayo Clinic website is a treasure trove of reliable information on the benefits and risks associated with chamomile tea for kids. And if you're into the science of things, PubMed is your go-to. It's a database where you can find peer-reviewed research articles discussing the safety and efficacy of chamomile tea in children. WebMD also offers general health information, which includes the benefits and potential risks of giving chamomile tea to children. For those who prefer reading, books such as The New Healing Herbs by Michael Castleman or Herbal Remedies for Children's Health by Rosemary Gladstar offer comprehensive insights. And remember, the best advice often comes directly from professionals. Consulting a pediatrician or pediatric nurse practitioner who knows your child's medical history is always a wise decision before introducing any new herbal remedy. When it comes to giving chamomile tea to children, make sure it's free from contaminants and served in appropriate amounts. Always consult with a healthcare provider first. There, you have it. Armed with the right information, you can make the best choices for your child's health. Thanks for watching, and if you would like to, we would appreciate if you could subscribe.